Wake up and work out with Expresso. Dressed by Pro Action Sportswear and Pineapple Activewear. Exclusive to Edgar's and Edgar's Active.
Well, just when you thought we were going to let you go to work or school without a little bit of exercise, here we are just in time. So join us. We won't be long. Plus, we have Ivor Wright, the man himself, our resident biokineticist in the house. Ivor, hoe gaan het vanoggend?
Goed, dank je zelf, Leanne. Dat is goed om te zien, man.
Lekker om je te zien, man.
Ja, is lekker om je terug te
We missed you. So, Ivor, we all know that Ivor always gives a hectic workout. What have you got in store for us today?
Vandaag gaan ons 'n bietjie weer. Ek hou van die running stability oefeninge, net omdat baie mense as soos dit begin nou weer, begin nou 'n bietjie somer of herfs raak so dit die mense wil weer begin oefen so en die eerste ding wat hulle doen, hulle begin draf en so en baie keer dan kry hulle baie beserings en so. So ek gaan net so 'n paar oefeningkies wys wat baie goed is vir om running hardloopbeserings te voorkom en so. So ons gaan net so 'n bietjie opwarm net voordat jy begin hardloop en so kan ons net opwarm. Ons gaan al die pad afgaan tot op jou urke en dan op. Het is net lekker om te strek en dis ook sommer 'n toets om te sien hoe flexibel jy is. As jy jou voete bymekaar sit, jy gaan al die pad af, moet jy kan tot op jou hurke gaan. Dit is mooi Leanne sonder om jou tone op te lig, jou hakke op te lig. As jy jou hakke oplig, dan beteken jou kuite en jou shinspiere is baie styf, solespiere is styf.
How am I doing that? Pretty flexible, huh?
Perfect, you're doing great. Yeah, Leanne's flexible. Right, and last one, just going right down onto your haunches. Right, now the next one's big stability one for the glutes and the quads. But if you don't have a beautiful partner like Leanne, you can just hold on to the side and you're just going down and back, right? Very important here to push your hips back and not let your knee go over the toe. Right, last two, that's it, good. And last one. Well done.
Of course, I was doing the advanced level. I'm doing the beginner's level.
No, you're on it. Right, and up, right. And keeping the foot right, or the knee right over the foot and stepping back, right. And also very important here is to keep the chest facing straight forward and using the glutes. And also some of you, your knees would want to go inwards. You try and keep the knee going right over in line with the toe. So in a straight line, last one. There you go, very good.
1 million.
1 million. Right, now we're going onto the hands. Next one's a bit of a combination of core and legs, right? So you're just gonna step out to the side and back.
How did you know, Ivor? This is my favorite one.
I know. I saw you exercising. I thought, no, Leanne would love this. There you go. That's it, good. Right, and to the side. Now, this one just works on the stability muscles around the stomach and the hips, right? Also bringing into account your quadricep muscles and leg muscles, Right, and one more each side.
Feels like a full body workout, this one.
It is a full body workout. It's good. There you go. It's a nice workout to do even though you're not going to run. Right, the next one we're going to do it's just the T-body. This basically works on the hamstrings and the balance a bit, right? So just from there, you're gonna bend the front knee slightly and you're gonna lean right over, trying to touch the ground. You're gonna feel it pull into your hamstring.
Is the leg straight at the back?
The leg straight at the back, yeah. And then coming right up and pushing your hips forward. So thrusting your hips forward, reaching down, and then pushing straight up again. Right. Very important here as well, pull the stomach right into the spine, core muscles engaged, and just going straight down there. Right, and with this one, you can bring in nice variations as well. You can have little weights and just opening up to the side. Just a bit of a postural exercise as well. So just opening up the shoulders. There you go.
Pretty cool. Well, while we continue this, thank you so much, Ivor, always giving us some really, really great tips on how to stay flexible, how to stay fit. And while we continue this, we'll see you right after the break. You can go on. Do it with us.